When making tutorial videos in Blender, I like to use flexible arrows that can be adjusted for length and head size. Here's how I do it using Wingding fonts and shape keys. Open the Character Map application. Select the Wingding font. Browse for the arrow style you want. Click on the arrow, then click Select and click Copy. In Blender, add a text object to your scene. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Delete the default text and paste the arrow from the clipboard. In the text properties, change the font to Wingdings. Convert the text object to a mesh. In the object data properties, add two shape keys: lengthen for adjusting the arrow shaft length, and arrowhead aspect ratio for adjusting the head's proportions. With lengthen selected, press Tab to enter edit mode. Select the vertices at the tail end and move them to lengthen the arrow. Switch back to object mode and select arrowhead aspect ratio. Go into edit mode and adjust the arrowhead vertices to make it narrower or wider. Now you can easily animate or adjust the arrow's length and head size just by changing the shape key values.